Vance.
No more.
No more. What are you eating, anak? Come here. Can you show mommy? What did you take from here? Huh? Come, come. You're eating tuyo. Bravo. Good boy.
Two.
Look, he's eating tuyo. Wow. You don't eat the head once. You take out the head. And then you remove the skin, the gill. I don't know how you use that in English. The kaliskis. Then you can eat. You don't have to eat the bone, huh? Be careful.
Bone.
Yeah, the fish bone.
Fish bone.
Fish bone.
Fish bone.
Yeah.
Fish bone.